Hello student, welcome to the Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the recruitment of MOIL, which they have released a short notification few days ago, but now they have released a full notification and all those things, details like what is the exam date and what is the pattern of examination, how many branches are eligible for that, all these things we will discuss in this video. So let's begin with the video. Recently, MOIL has released the graduate trainee and manager for the different discipline post, and now the date was also started. Online application for registration date is 25th August and the last date to fill is 15th of September. After that, they have released the number of vacancy for each and every branch. Like mechanical, there are total 4 vacancy. In that 2 vacancy are unreserved category, one for SC, one for OBC. Similarly, for electrical, there are total 4 vacancy. In that 2 for general candidate, 1 for EWS and 1 for OBC. There is no seat reserved for SC category. Similarly for survey as well. And after that, they have notified that what is the center. The center are available in few of the major cities like Nagpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore. You need to select these centers only. If you are belonging some other than this, then you need to select the nearest center at your location. After that, the test, they have also notified what is the examination pattern and all those things. The duration of test of online is 90 minutes in a single session. You need to appear. After that, the duration of computer based test will be 90 minutes in a single session. You need to go with the multiple choice question. In that, there are 2 parts. One part consists of your engineering domain, other part consists of your aptitude. The aptitude part consists of two segments, like there is general awareness and reasoning and one general English. General awareness and reasoning consists of 20 marks and general English consists of 10 marks. And for the subject knowledge or engineering domain, you need to 55 questions, which consists of 55 marks. There are initially 2 sections, like first section non-technical like aptitude. In that, reasoning and general knowledge 20 marks, 10 marks for English. This is a total 30. Remaining 55 questions are only for your technical domain. Like if you belong to mechanical, then mechanical. If you belong to electrical, then you need to appear with the electrical paper, which consists of 55 marks. The total marks will be 85 for CPT, and remaining 15 marks is come for the interview. You need to clear the interview minimum criteria so that you will get the final score, and out of 100 how many number of marks you obtain in these 2 steps, these 2 stages. So going with the next one. After that, they have once you qualify that, they will call for interview in the ratio of 1:6, and in that once you clear the minimum cutoff for interview, you are selected in final list. After that, their application fee are very low. It's 100 rupees only. If you are prepared with the other examination like HPCL and other, then you need to fill these form as well, because the pattern and all those things are exactly similar with these examinations. What is the compensation pay? They have initially, you need to go under the trainee. In that case, you need to pay in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000 as the initial basic pay, 50,000 per month. After completion of 1 year, we will regularize the E2 grade and all the allowance, all those things we will started getting at that level. And they have also certain benefit like leave, free medical attention, then provident fund, family pension and insurance as well. So many things are there. Just you need to once you get the selection, all these benefits are applicable to you as well. After that, you need to, while submitting the application form, there are 2 major steps. Like initially, you know that you need only signature and photo, but in that case, you need to give the 2 more steps. Like you need to give your left thumb impression, which is in JPG format, and dimension is 240 into 240 pixel, and file size is in the range of 20 to 50 KB. And going with the handwritten declaration, you need to write a declaration statement in a blank white page paper, and put the photo on a website as per the requirement. Like you need to upload the file in the range of 50 KB to 100 KB, and all those things you will follow as per the given notification. If you have still any doubt, then do comment below. I'll definitely connect with you. And if you have any suggestion, also comment below. If you like our videos, do share with your friend and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.